Pair of BERIBES headphones, model number WH202A. I'm going to show you how to pair and connect these directly to an LG TV that has WebOS. Okay, so first thing is we want to go ahead and put these in pairing mode. Okay, if you look at the right ear cup here, you have three buttons here. Okay, the first button, the round button up here, is the multifunction button or power/Bluetooth. Below it is the volume up or next track, and below it is volume down or previous track. Okay, we just want to focus on the multifunction or power/Bluetooth button. Okay, so we're going to put these in the pairing mode. These are currently off. I'm going to go ahead and press that power button. I'm going to keep on holding and starts blinking blue, red, blue, red, blue, red. Okay, so it's currently off. Here's that button. Ready, set, go. Press and hold and just wait. It says power on. I'm still holding. Now it says pairing and it's blinking blue, red, indicating it's in pairing mode. Now we got to hurry up and go right to the TV, and you want to go to settings. If you have this remote here, you can click on the settings. If not, just click on the home button, go to the home page, and top right hand side, go to the gear icon. Let me press on home again. Top right side, we're going to go to the gear icon. So I'm going to go up, and then I'm going to move over to the right. Settings right there, click on OK. And then from here, I'm going to go down, right here, sound out. Currently it's going to my TV speakers here, but we wanted to come out of here. So I'm going to go ahead and select on that. And now I got to keep moving to the right or left. Okay, so right now it says TV or internal TV speaker. I don't want that, so I'm going to press on the right on the remote. Okay, sound out, Bluetooth, that's what we want. So we're going to go down now to device list, click on OK on the remote. Okay, and now we're on this page here, and you can see the searching. So it's basically searching for devices that are in pairing mode near me. And we're still in pairing mode, blue, red, and you can see it already popped up, WH202A. It's already highlighted in fuchsia. I'm just going to go ahead and OK that. And then give it 1 second here. It just said that it's connected up there, and you can see the check mark right there. So we're ready to rock and roll. Now, of course, when you're connected, you can increase and decrease volume as well. So you can see right there. Now, if you guys had issues where you couldn't connect it or you had pairing issues, you can always factory reset these. If you need to do that, look in the link below.